So what's up guys, this is Fayad Ousmand back with a new video. In today's video, we are going to unbox the Redmi 9. To be honest, I have unboxed this phone already. So I just wanted to show you guys this. So let's go and unbox it. So as they have shown here, look at this Redmi 9 and with easy access to the Google apps you use most. And also they have showed us this Redmi 9 ocean green color, 4GB RAM with 64GB. Yes, and everything they have mentioned here. And also, yes, the same thing. Okay, so let's go and unbox this. Okay. Yeah. I think this is a user guide and a manual. Yeah. We'll keep this thing aside, and this is the phone. Let's keep this thing aside. And what's in here? Yeah, this is a user guide. To be honest, it's a user guide. Yes, it's a user guide. And oh my gosh, there's a lot. Okay, so we'll leave them aside and check out the phone. So probably in here there is no charger or plug or anything because everything is already taken out, as I already told you guys. So this is how it is. And what do you think here it is? I'm just showing you. Yes, we have 3 cameras and we have fingerprint here, the flashlight. Oh yes, and model number and everything. And also we have the speakers right here. 3 speakers, the charging cable adapter, and what do we have here? We have the headphone jack. Okay, so we'll get this started next. Okay guys, so we'll get this started. Wait, yeah. Oh wow, this is so awesome. Yes, and okay, we go like this. There's a power set. So as you can see, we have unlocked this amazing device. So yes, this is so complicated that this device has so many shortcut options. Yes, yeah. First of all, we'll show you guys about the settings and everything. Yeah, we'll go here, settings and about phone and MIUI version global stable update. This has also got an update and since my father. And also yes, I have to tell you guys, to be honest, the particular product you're looking right now doesn't belong to me. I'm so sorry. Then the device name Redmi 9, storage occupied 23.1 GB, and they have given the MIUI version, normal version and everything. Yes, so let's go back. So that's everything guys. So they have also have SIM card managers and dual SIM they have given, and also they have 2 SIMs, so both we are using is dialogue. Yes, there are so many cool options over here. Like I'll show you one example. Look at this. In some other phones we have to just go for the notification, swipe down notification from like up to here to here, but here look at this, so simple. Everything is over here. Oh my god, this is so easy. So I just told you guys, yeah, this is everything for today. We have unboxed this and I'm just showing you every particular thing over here, and this is something beautiful. So okay, I'm gonna end the video guys from here. So I'm gonna end the video from here. Make sure you are subscribed and subscribe to this video, to this channel, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and make sure if you already have any questions, comment below. I make sure I'll reply to all the comments. So this is for today guys, and this is Fayad Ousmand signing off. Thank you.